Okay, let's see what we have here. As far as a Vista print order, I have a lot of new postcards, okay? And I'm always excited when I get postcards, and it's kind of like the old days of film photography and getting, you know, your negatives and prints back, or slides, as I used to take. I'm pretty confident with what I get back from Vistaprint these days in terms of the print quality, but it's always kind of exciting to actually see how it came out, as far as the ink saturation and the colors and whatnot. And these ones are all new ones, so that's kind of exciting. Alright. Now when it comes to blues, they don't always look exactly like the originals, but I have something here that I usually don't do in my videos, but here's a comparison. Yeah, look at that. Quite a difference in terms of the blues. I think this looks pretty good still, you know, but look at the difference in blues here. This one, you have to convert it to this thing called CMYK. That's the you know, the printing colors, and the blues often kind of are quite different from that. But anyways, I ripped it a little bit down here, but yeah, you can see the difference in tone. But anyways, if you ever want to see the true color of this one, I don't know, I'll glue that on later, but you can always look at it online and it has a truer blue. And of course there's the video for this one. I didn't do back and front of these new postcards, so they're just blank on the back. Vistaprint really started, I don't know, they really jacked up their price. Printing on the back in grayscale used to be free. Now that's, I don't know, it basically doubles the price of one card, so I don't know, I just have it, it's real simple. Stampscapes video 324. That was referring to, of course, the YouTube channel here. And I just left it at that. I was going to kind of put the names, you know, of the stamps around here, but I don't know. Maybe I'll do that on some kind of the anatomy of a scene type of thing. But I don't know. I wanted to get these ones in a hurry too, so I didn't really have time to do that. But I wanted to see what these ones look like too, just you know, in this, you know, simplified format. So anyways, here's another blue one here, and those brightest of blues are quite different on there, aren't they? And you can see, of course, this one's a really long format. This one's called, I would do this in what they call a rack card. It's kind of more the elongated one, but like I said, their prices went up so much, and, you know, kind of the standard format right here is a lot cheaper, so I can get more of these ones and more different types of idea cards if I just kind of keep it on this format. So I think more is better. I don't know how much, you know, people have read the back of my other ones anyways, but you know, all of this information as far as what images were used can be found online, either on the video channel or on the Flickr gallery, and there's other links to it from stamp modules as well, you know, and the stamp module for this, you know, these birds in flight, you know, I'll have this, you know, the links for samples for this down below. So anyways, but yeah, look at that. But this does look like the digital version that I uploaded, just because, I don't know, those blues really get wiped out. I don't know, quite different, but so much brighter in terms of the blues with the original, and quite different looking too, huh? That other one almost looked like a warm blue. This one's kind of more of a cool blue, and that goes for this one as well. But the printing looks pretty good, I would say. Okay, same one here. I ordered quite a lot of these, you know, being that they're new postcards for the new imagery. Send these out to wholesale clients too, to give out to their customers as well. Okay, this one right here, greens. Let's do a little comparison to the greens. The greens are usually pretty true. Yeah, pretty good, not too bad. I would say that's pretty close. This one's a little bit different, but see if I kind of change the angle of this, the colors, especially on the side, kind of change a little bit, and you can see it in here too. It's because when it's scanning, you know, that light is really reflective, and this, of course, is a very reflective surface. So, well, this one's not too bad. Actually, this one even might look even warmer. Sometimes they look better in the you know, the printed postcard than the original. At times, you know, the ink saturations get kind of deeper. And I might order those same postcards again, and the second batch might come out completely different than the first batch. You never really know. They're pretty consistent, though, but not always. Okay, let's... No, yeah, I do have the original for this one. This is more grayscale. Look at that. This one looks darker, huh? There's more contrast in this one, you know, when it comes to the offset printing. I really like playing around with these islands. I can't wait to use these just in other types of scenes, you know. I used it for, you know, like a sea type of thing. We can use it for lakes and whatnot in the background. Formations. Okay, let's see if these ones are different. Okay. Oh, okay. This one is the Wolves in the Mist. I loved the drama that those wolves provided. Okay, let's take a look at this. Not too bad, huh? A little bit more greenish, kind of turquoise-ish tone to the postcard than the original. Actually, maybe when the... did I spray this one yet? I think I did. I was going to say, maybe when I stamped this one out, it looked a little bit closer to this one, so maybe when I scanned it, it was a little bit more bluish, you know, of a tinge in there. This one right here, the original, though, you can kind of see the texture a lot better, right? From that Dr. Martens bleed-proof light. And here it doesn't read so much. It looks like it filled in, so... But, not too bad. Okay, I think that is it. 5 different cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I think these ones are just duplicates right here. It's kind of funny. That's just by luck I didn't open the same one twice, except for that once. Yeah. More Wolves in the Mist here. Okay, so anyways, that's what I was waiting for. We'll start shipping these samples out with some orders, and people can get the idea for the idea cards is just kind of compositional and color ideas and inspiration for potential scenes or the types of scenes that people can do. So a lot more work to do on the usage of these new stamps, and I can't wait to do them now. I kind of stopped doing some videos for a while now because I didn't have the line released. We're waiting for so long to get everything into production, so I can't wait to use them. I can't wait to use them again, and there's 50 new designs, so I only used a handful of them so far in these 5 different postcards, idea cards, and the 5 different videos. So I you know, I did a little stamp sketching with some other ones, but mainly been working on production. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you like the cards and kind of the minimal format. Like I said, there's nothing on the back of these. I might start putting some more information on the backs too again, but like I said, all that information for any of these scenes can be found online as well. Thanks for watching.